Oh, hello. What are you doing here? What am I doing here? Well, I work here. This is my AI den. AI, artificial intelligence. You probably heard of it. Things like Chat GPT and Midjourney and DALI 3. What are these things? Do they apply to you? Have you maybe played with them a little bit and said, that's too much? I know there's a lot out there and people are selling the crap out of it, aren't they? I see a lot of AI trainings where they offer you about 688,000.5 prompts for ChatGPT that are going to streamline every aspect of your business in ways that you can't possibly imagine. And it's likely you won't use those prompts. It's just like when you buy a personal development program, let's say, and put it on their digital shelf and never get to it. It's overwhelmed. There is a lot. Even I, an AI enthusiast, look at some of the offerings coming out in the AI space in terms of training, and it's overwhelming. It's way too much for somebody who is just kind of getting started to even comprehend. You can get bedazzled and go, wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. I'm definitely going to use that. I'm definitely going to use that. And then maybe you will and maybe you won't. AI Jumpstart, our training, is for people who are kind of looking at AI and going, is this for me and how would I use it? Can it solve the problems I have right now? Because a lot of this is speculative. Did you know that you could do this? Did you know that you could do this? We'll definitely talk about that, mostly in the context of what you're up to right now. So if you have any challenge in your business or even your personal life, you might want to find out how AI can assist you and make things way more efficient. You hear about 10xing your business all the time. You don't need 1,000 prompts and the expertise of a prompt engineer to 10x your business using AI. Just a couple of little things can do that. Because really, what is going to 10x your business is unique to you. Maybe you just need more content. Maybe you just need clarity of a freaking idea, right? Maybe you just need some emails written. All of these things could 10x your business if you're not doing these things now. And that's something you can learn in just a few minutes. And you don't have to understand all the ins and outs of all of these tools. So AI Jumpstart is just that. It's a jumpstart into the world of AI where you're not trying to be an expert and understand every freaking tool out there, just enough to get you started to see some productivity happen in your business. And then if you want to dig deeper into AI, then you can go join those courses that have 8 bazillion prompts for you, because then you'll have more of a context. So if AI is in the least bit intimidating to you, or you're putting it off, or it just seems like too freaking much, AI Jumpstart is for you. I'd love to see you there this weekend.